Hi and welcome back to another quick guide. Today, I'll teach you how to see weather report in mobile. Checking the weather report on your mobile phone helps you prepare for changing conditions before you leave home, or smartphones include the built-in weather app. You can also use weather services through a web browser or other weather apps. So follow these steps to view the latest weather report on your mobile device. To begin, unlock your mobile phone, connect to the internet using Wi-Fi or mobile data. Open the weather app if your phone has one installed. If you don't have a weather app, open your preferred web browser and search for weather or enter the name of your city followed by weather. Allow location access if prompted so the app or website can show the weather for your current location. View the current temperature displayed on the screen and check the weather condition such as sunny, cloudy, rainy, or windy. Scroll down to see the hourly forecast. Continue scrolling to view the weather forecast for the next several days. Review details such as humidity, wind speed, and the chance of rain if available. Refresh the weather report by pulling down on the screen or tapping the refresh button. Add another city by tapping this option, then tap the plus button if you want to monitor the weather in a different location. Check the weather report regularly to stay informed about changing conditions throughout the day. And that's all for now, folks. Thank you for watching.